Alright, somebody in class asked about the general solution to the stiffy cube. We begin with the separation of variables. Now that that's done, we take the integral of both sides. Next, we want to solve for y. So the inverse of log base e is the exponential function base e. So we'll exponentiate both sides with base e. We'll use the property of exponents and rewrite the right side as e to the power of x minus x to the negative 1 multiplied by e to the c. And now e to the c is just some constant. We'll write it in front. We'll rewrite the x to the negative 1 as 1 over x. And since this constant can be anything, we don't know what it is yet. It could be positive or negative. We don't need the absolute value signs. And there it is. Answer choice. What is that? Answer choice B.